Children, now when we know the condition for parallel lines and condition for perpendicular lines, what is the condition of parallel lines? If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, and converse is true. And for perpendicular lines, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope happens to be -1. Converse holds the same. Here, when I say next question, more or less based on the same one, line 3x minus ky equals to 1 is perpendicular to line AB. So we have been given one line which is perpendicular to line AB, where A has coordinate 7, -2 and that of B has coordinate 5, -5, 6. Find the value of K. Children, always try to draw a rough diagram from your end. So let's try and understand this particular sum. Say we have A and B. This is my A with coordinate 7, -2. Let me say x1, y1. B with coordinate -5, 6. Again say x2, y2. What do we have? We have one line which is perpendicular to line AB. So let's draw that particular line which is perpendicular to line AB. Shall we say that this is the line which is perpendicular? So let's name this as 3x minus ky equals to 1. Given to us that this line 3x minus ky equals to 1 and line AB are perpendicular. So what relation can we say so? The product of their slope happens to be -1, right? Let's apply the same, get the value of K. But don't you think so that right now we need to find out the slope of both AB and the given line? So let's start with our solution. Get the slope of AB first. So our solution starts now. We do say let A 7, -2 identical equal to x1, y1, B -5, 6 identical equal to x2, y2. What is slope of AB? Slope of AB, what's the formula, children? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is 6 minus y1. Here y1 itself is -2. 6 minus of -2, 6 plus 2. x2 is -5 minus x1 -7. 8 upon -12. 8 upon -12. 4 2 times, 4 3 times. Ultimately, what's my answer? My answer for slope AB. So let's designate it by M1. Slope of AB, which we shall say M1 is, we'll bring this minus sign in the numerator, -2/3. Right, children? So what is the other line? The other line is 3x minus ky equals to 1. The equation of given line is 3x minus ky equals to 1, children. We need to find out the slope of the same. How we do so? By converting into y is equal to mx plus c format. There are many ways also. We are preferring y is equal to mx plus c. So when I convert y is equal to mx plus c format, can I say ky is equals to 3x minus 1? I need to divide it by k. So when I divide it by k, what do I get? Y equals to 3 by k of x minus 1 by k. From where did I get it? Divide by k. Divide by k. On comparing this particular equation with the standard form, y is equal to mx plus c, on comparing with what should I compare? Y is equals to mx plus c. Children, let me say, earlier I have said this as m1, let me say this as m2. Can I say on comparing my m2 becomes 3 by k? Kindly check whether we are getting m2 as 3 by k. Y mx m2x plus c, you can make it plus of minus 1 by k. So with that, what is my value of m2? m2 turns out to be 3 by k. What is given condition? The lines are perpendicular. So we shall say, since line AB and line what? 3x minus ky equals to 1 are perpendicular. are perpendicular to each other. So what is it, children? What we have learned, therefore the product of their slope happens to be -1. Therefore m1 into m2 is -1. m1 already we have, it's -2 by 3. m2 is just now we got it, 3 by k is equals to -1. Can we cancel this? We will cancel, and we can cancel +3. We can cancel this minus sign also. What we are left with? We are left with k equals 2. We are left with k equals 2. When k goes over there, we are left with k equals to 2. We are left with k equals to 2. So what value of k we have? K equals to 2. What simple thing is what one has to remember in these kind of sums? If the given lines are perpendicular, the product of the slope happens to be -1, right?